Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. Exceptionally clean 2016 Chaparral 307 SSX. One thing I like about the Chaparral product is quality, fit and finish, and hull design. If you're looking for something that has beautiful lines to it, very sporty, and great performance, this is definitely the boat for you. One big benefit of this particular boat is the fact that very aggressive hull design, nice deep V, and very high sides on the boat. And this one does have your hard top right here, so not only does it look cool, it gives you a lot of shade from the sun. So what we'll do, we'll kind of walk through the boat. I'll point out some of the features. As you can see here, plenty of seating up here, tremendous amount of storage in the boat. Also, one thing that's pretty unique, they also hinge all of your seats right here. So if you're trailering the boat or going 45 miles an hour, your cushions aren't going to fall out. Really easy to get to. We can drop the windlass from up here, also from the helm, stainless steel anchor. This boat's powered by a 6.2 Mercruisers, 300 horsepower side, only 56 hours. We just had the B service done on the engines last week, and that was plugs, impellers, thermostat, belts, water pumps, the whole 9 yards. So it's fully service ready to go. Also has a fresh detail. So this boat's in excellent condition. So if you want to, come back around to the stern and we'll point out some cool stuff back here. Once again, all of the materials they use, the vinyls, very high end, 316L marine grade stainless, large swim platform. So when you're swimming up to the boat, plenty of room back here. You can sit 3 to 4 adults back here, relax, watch the sunset or something of the sort. But come on board, we'll go over some other stuff. Now, as far as storage is concerned, a tremendous amount of storage. Under here, you've got a dedicated spot for your cooler. So if you're getting packed at the house, put your drinks and lunch, whatever you're gonna have for the day, stores neatly inside there. On our starboard side, lots of room in here, battery switches, very easy to get to. Plenty of seating, U-shaped seating all the way around. We also have a wet bar right here, so if you're doing some entertaining or have family and friends, very comfortable boat, has a lot of creature comforts to it. Isotherm refrigerator right here, all stainless steel. And then over at the dash, this one also has your joystick docking. So you can spin the boat to the left, spin the boat to the right. Also digital throttle and shift. And all you need to do if you want to run both engines on one lever, just push that button. You can run them both that way. Super nice steering wheel, all stainless steel, nice and thick, wrapped in leather right here. Beautiful layout here as far as your gauges are concerned. I think I mentioned only 56 hours on these motors. Garmin GPS chart plotter, trim tabs. Everything's very easy to get to. Also really cool LED lighting. This boat at night looks really cool. On our port side, we've got our glove compartment here. You can keep your cell phone, stuff like that inside there, your wallet. A lot of square footage inside this right here and a lot of headroom. This is one of the larger heads as far as square footage that I've seen on a boat this size. Stainless steel windshield cap, all high grade stainless all the way around. One thing I did mention before, you've got a lot of freeboard on the boat, so especially if you have small children, this boat's great because it's very safe. So to recap, 2016 Chaparral 307 SSX. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.